Welcome to Quiztar. Get ready for an exciting bird identification quiz. From vibrant songbirds to soaring raptors, test your avian knowledge with our interactive challenges. Let's see if you can guess the bird. Let's dive in. Can you identify the small bird with a cheerful chirp? Recognize the city bird known for its iridescent plumage? What intelligent bird is famous for its dark color and loud cawing? Identify the coastal bird with graceful flight? Which waterfowl has a distinctive waddle and quack? Name the bird domesticated for eggs and meat, often seen on farms. Recognize the tiny bird known for rapid wing beats and hovering? What bird with a red breast symbolizes spring's arrival? Which bird is associated with Thanksgiving feasts? Identify the bird known for vibrant red plumage and melodious song. What's the bird with a tuxedo-like look and a waddling walk? Identify the powerful bird of prey with keen eyesight. Name the swift-flying bird of prey with a sharp beak. Which bird has silent flight and big forward-facing eyes? What bird is famous for mimicking human speech? Recognize the graceful bird with a long, curved neck. What's the waterfowl known for its honking call and V-shaped flight formation? Identify the small songbird prized for its melodious singing. Which bird collects shiny objects and has black and white plumage? Name the bird with glossy black feathers and a beautiful song, often seen in gardens. What bird taps on trees searching for insects? Which bird dives into the water to catch fish? Identify the brightly colored bird known for its exceptional fishing skills. What large bird has a long bill and a throat pouch for catching fish? What bird with a colorful bill is found in tropical forests? Which bird is known for its mimicry skills and iridescent plumage? Identify the bird commonly seen near coastlines, known for graceful flight. What bird scavenges on carrion and is a symbol of death in many cultures? Name the seabird with dark plumage and exceptional diving abilities. Which bird of prey is famous for its high-speed aerial dives during hunting? What's the world's largest bird, incapable of flight? Recognize the bird with pink plumage and long legs, often seen in shallow waters. Name the large flightless bird native to Australia. Identify the bird with long legs and dagger-like bill, often found near water. Which bird is known for its graceful stature and elaborate courtship dances? What bird is associated with delivering babies and has long legs and neck? What flightless bird from New Zealand has a long, slender bill? Name the bird known for its melodious song and high-flying displays. Identify the bird often linked with peace due to its gentle cooing calls. Which seabird has colorful plumage and a distinctive beak? What bird has a distinctive spoon-shaped bill? Identify the bird known for graceful flight and a forked tail. Name the bird known for elaborate mating dances in forests. What bird is famous for its aerial acrobatics and forked tail? Which bird is renowned for its melodious nocturnal singing? What chicken-like bird from Africa has spotted plumage? Identify the small, brightly colored bird known for musical songs during migration. What smaller bird of prey hunts smaller birds like sparrows? Name the small game bird with a distinctive call and plump body. Which bird is known for its cheerful chick-a-dee-dee-dee call? What bird of prey hovers in flight while hunting? Identify the North and Central American bird known for rapid running. What bird displays vibrant plumage and elaborate courtship rituals? A big thank you for watching our YouTube video. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more fantastic content. If you are interested in exploring further challenges, we invite you to browse through our collection of videos.